Hello students, this is chapter number 3, more features of MS Word. First one, page settings. In MS Word, the standard width and height of a page is 8.5 into 11 inches. मतलब कि इस साइज का आपका पेज होता है. Respectively, position in vertical direction with predefined left, right 1.25 and top bottom 1 inches margin. जो मार्जिन स्पेस होता है लेफ्ट राइट का वो आपके सामने है. टॉप बॉटम जो आपका होता है 1 इंचेस और लेफ्ट राइट आपके होते हैं 1.25. We can change these default settings according to the requirement of our document. अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग जो आपकी नीड है हम उसके हिसाब से इन सेटिंग्स को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं अगर आप चाहते हैं तो. To change this to these settings, select file menu. फाइल मेन्यू पे क्लिक करेंगे, ये मेन्यू आपका ऊपर आ रहा होगा. फिर देन पेज सेटअप ऑप्शन, क्लिक द मार्जिन टैब, changes the margins. You can change the paper orientation from portrait vertical to landscape means horizontal by clicking on this option. To change the size of the page or paper, click the paper tab in page setup dialog box. Select a predefined paper size. Specify the width and height of your paper in which the page is being printed. Click the OK button. मतलब कि जब सेटिंग्स पूरी करें तो फिनिश कर दीजिएगा OK बटन पर. न्यूज़लेटर स्टाइल कॉलम्स, अगर आपको डॉक्यूमेंट को न्यूज़ स्टाइल में कन्वर्ट करना है लाइक न्यूज़पेपर जैसे होते हैं, MS Word give us the facility to convert the existing text to column style or to type the new text in the columns in an existing text. Select the text, choose format menu from column options, choose number of columns, click the line between option to draw a line between the columns. If you want the columns to be different width, then remove the check from the equal columns width box and specify the width of each column in the width box. You can change the space between each column, then click on OK. Next settings is paragraph settings. A block of text between the two strokes of enter key is called a paragraph. To give extra spacing between paragraph, click inside the paragraph whose spacing you want to change. Select from menu paragraph option, click indent and spacing tab, click in before or after box and use up and down arrow keys to change the spacing. Finally click on OK. Please note, paragraph spacing is changed in points where 12 points is equal 10 approximately the height of one line. Next is paragraph indentations. It is used to emphasize a special paragraph by providing it with extra spacing from the left or right margins. To indent the paragraph, click inside the paragraph, select format menu, paragraph option, click indent the spacing tab. Under the indentation, select specify the indent spacing in before text, after text or in both the spin boxes. To indent only the first line of the paragraph, select special button, click on the OK button. Header and footer. Header and footer are the area in the top and bottom margin of the page. We can give some information in this area. Select view menu, header and footer option. A dotted rectangular area will appear with the header and footer. Toolbar to insert some information like page number, date, time, etc. Type information or use the tools buttons. Click switch between header and footer tool buttons to switch in the footer area and add the information that you want at the bottom of each page. Now click the close button to switch back in the document editing mode. Footnote and endnote. These are used to give commands or provide reference for text in a document's endnotes for creation of sources. Inserting a footnote or an endnote. Click at the position where you want to insert the note's reference marks. Select Insert Reference, then click on Footnote. Click Footnote or Endnote. By default, MS Word places footnotes at the end of each page and notes at the end of the document. You can change them. In number format box, click the required format. Click the Insert button. MS Word will insert the notes number and places the insertion point text to the note number. Type the note text. Scroll the text next place in the document where you want to insert footnote. Please note, press Ctrl plus Alt plus F to insert a footnote and press Ctrl plus Alt plus D to insert a endnote. Now, printing a Word document. To take a hard copy means printed copy of a document on a paper, it is better to see the print preview of a document. Click File menu, File Preview option or click Print Preview icon in the standard toolbar. The document will be displayed as it would be printed on a paper. Click Close button in the toolbar to exit Print Preview mode. To print the document, select File menu, Print option. The Print dialog box is displayed. In the printer section, select the printer name. In the page range section, specify the range of pages. In the copies section, specify the quantities of printouts. In zoom section, you can change the size of your documents. Check that your printer is connected to the computer and is switched on. Press the OK button to get the printout to your documents. So here 4 questions for you. The standard width and height of a page is. कितनी होती है इसका आप आंसर बताएंगे. Number 2, the default left, right and top bottom margin of blank document are. कितनी होती है ये भी आप बताएंगे. A block of text between two stroke of enter key is called dash. क्या होता है उसका आंसर देंगे आप. One line of paragraph equal to dash. तो इन चारों क्वेश्चन के आंसर इस वीडियो पे आपको लास्ट में देने हैं. बाय.